another baking video. Strawberry is still in the season nowadays, so we're going to incorporate the strawberries in our recipe for today. However, we're not going to make a cake. We're going to make strawberry crumb bars, and we're going to reduce the sugar content of our crust, and it's not going to be very sweet. So let's start baking, guys. Okay, let's start by washing our strawberries, and then we'll drain it and dry it. And then afterward, we'll start to chop it. So let's clean this one first and then set the strawberry aside, alright? So on this recipe, we'll be needing 2 cups of chopped strawberries, alright guys? Okay, our next step is to butter our baking dish. So I have here like 8 by 8 baking dish. So we're going to butter the whole dish, and then we're going to put parchment paper also on the 4 side of the baking dish, and then set it aside. Okay, here are the ingredients that we need. 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, 125 grams of unsalted butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, and also we'll be using a pastry dough cutter to mix them together. Alright guys? Make sure to preheat your oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to bake these strawberry crumb bars for 40 to 45 minutes. Alright guys, so let's mix now our dry ingredients together using our pastry dough cutter. So in terms of the butter, make sure your butter is chilled, and then slice it in a little pieces. Then we can combine it together with the flour and the rest of the other ingredients. In terms of mixing it, you can also use your food processor to mix them together, but I would like to use my hands and the pastry cutters, alright? Okay, now we can add the egg, 1 egg, and then we can also add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and continue mixing it until they incorporated all together with our flour. Alright guys. So after mixing the flour with the butter, so your dough will be like crumbly. So this is how you're gonna test whenever it's ready. So as you can see, the dough stick together with the butter, so that's ready. So you stop mixing it. So we're going to divide the dough into 2 parts. So half will be used for the toppings and half will be used as a crust. Alright guys? Okay, now let's do the fun part. So after dividing it into 2, so we're going to press it in our baking dish and we're gonna have fun. Let's press it to the baking dish. So make sure your crumbs is level and then it's all properly pressed together. So at least we have a good crust on our strawberry crumb bars. Okay, we're almost there. So once it's done, we can set it aside. Okay, now let's cut our strawberries. So we'll be needing 2 cups of slice of strawberries. So afterward, we'll mix it with the sugar as well. Okay, once we cut all our strawberries, so we have 2 cups of strawberries. Now we're gonna mix it with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Okay, so we toast it with the cornstarch and the vanilla extract as well. Then we'll put it on our baking dish on the top of the crust. Alright guys? The strawberry smells so good. Okay, the strawberry is ready. So let's get our baking dish And let's fill up the baking dish with the strawberries. So we'll dump all the strawberries on the dish, and then afterwards we can top it with the crumbles that we had divided initially, and then we're ready to put it in the oven soon. Okay, now we're ready to put our toppings. Okay, into the oven now between 40 to 45 minutes at 375 degrees. Yay, it's already been baked, so here it is. I bake it for exactly 43 minutes. As you can see, the brown toppings is so vivid and it's so rich. Yeah, I can't wait to dig on this one. So let's cool it first, and then afterwards I slice it. I can't wait. It looks so good and it smells so good. I just love it. Here it is, guys. I already sliced it. Oh my god, it's so delicious. The crust is not very sweet and it was just perfect. So I scoop a vanilla ice cream and I have this one. Oh my god, it's so good. I hope you can try this one, guys. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you to all of you guys, to all the new subscribers, to all the previous subscribers, and to all the viewers on my channel. Thank you very, very much. And I really appreciate all your support. Thank you so much. I see you around in my next video. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.